Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this hair, this fall curly bob wig, and I'm going to be doing an install. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed this wig and where I got it from, keep on watching. So this wig is from Afsisterwig. It comes in this really pretty black box. The hair they sent me was this pre-highlighted curly bob wig. I never had a wig that was already dyed before. This wig is dyed really well, you guys. It has a really nice gradient effect. I love the chocolate brown color and the blonde highlights. That's gonna take some getting used to, but overall this wig is really nice. It's very soft. This wig is 14 inches long, 150 density. It's a full lace wig, so you can do deep parting. You can pretty much do any style you want to do. So the inside of this wig, it has two adjustable straps. There's one towards the front and there's one all the way in the back. It also has wig combs, so your wig will be secured. The lace is very thin and transparent. I mean, it's not my skin tone. It really wasn't that hard for me to tint to the lace. All I had to do was, honestly, I didn't even bleach the lace or anything. I just added some makeup and it literally matched my skin perfectly. So now I'm just trying it on. I really wasn't sure about it. Honestly, I didn't really like it at first. But then when I started styling it, it looked better. This lace is pre-plucked. The hairline is not bulky or anything. It's very thin. It might not look as thin because the hair is curly, but in real life, this hairline is very thin. I didn't really have to pluck much. Honestly, I really didn't have to pluck this wig. I just plucked it a little bit. I am taking my Ghost Bond lace glue and I'm just putting that in front of my hairline. Then I'm taking my rat tail comb to spread out the glue. After the glue turns clear, I just pull my wig back down and stick it on the glue. And I take my rat tail comb again and I just use the comb to press the lace in the glue a little bit more. And y'all, didn't have any scissors. I didn't have any mini scissors. The scissors I had, they just weren't sharp, so I had to use a razor to cut all of this lace off. It was a little hard at first, but after a while I was able to cut majority of it off. But here I'm just cutting the extra lace off. I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm putting more of the glue in the front just because I couldn't get super close to my lace with the razor. I didn't want to cut myself or anything, so I'm just gluing down the extra lace. And y'all, now this hair is starting to look cute. It's already transforming, it's already looking better. I feel like it looks really good on my skin tone. So now I'm taking the rat tail comb again and I'm just pressing the lace in the glue a little bit more. I wanted the lace to lay down a little bit more, so I took my freeze blast spray and I sprayed it around the perimeter of the lace. And I kind of regret doing this because I think it made, well, it did actually, it made my lace darker. So as you guys can see, my lace literally got darker and I did not like that at all. So now I'm just taking my scarf to tie down my wig for a little bit, just really the front area, so that my lace can just melt into my skin a little bit better. I just want to cover a little bit of that lace because it just looks really dark. So I'm just using the end of the comb to just pull out some pieces in the front. So I'm taking another razor to cut the hairs, just making them shorter so that the baby hairs will look natural. To swoop my baby hairs, I'm using this edge brush I got from the beauty supply store. It was like $1, along with some Eco Styler gel, and I'm just playing around with the little hairs and just trying to see what looks the best. I'm tying down my hair again to lay the baby hairs and lay that lace one more time. And y'all, after I took off the scarf, my lace looked good. I was shocked, y'all. It looked good. I'm just parting my hair in sections now to just define the curls more. So I'm taking some water and mousse to define the curls just to make it less frizzy. This hair does shed a little bit and it does tangle as well. So I really didn't put anything in this hair besides water and mousse. So I was thinking maybe if I got a leave-in conditioner or maybe some oil. I don't know, y'all. I don't really wear curly hair that much to know what it needs like that. But maybe I need another product because this hair does get tangly after a while of wearing it. I didn't really wear it for that long. I wore it for 3 days. I don't remember the name of this mousse that I'm using, but I'll make sure to leave it in my description box. But I use the water first, then the mousse, then I go in with my denim brush and I just comb through the hair, and then I go back in with my big comb. Doing that throughout the whole wig, and now I'm going to style it. So originally I really wanted a middle part with 2 twists on the sides. I thought that would be really cute, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just parting the hair. This wig has really deep parting space, and I love wigs that have deep parting space just because it looks more natural to me. I don't like parting spaces that aren't really that long because it just looks more wiggish. It's not even a word, but y'all know what I mean. So this is how the hairstyle came out. I liked it, y'all, at first, but I didn't like that you really couldn't see the part, and I didn't want to pluck this hair while it was on. So I decided to do another style. I decided to do a half up, half down instead. So I'm just grabbing a big section in the front and I am putting it up in a ponytail. Okay, I know I'm very indecisive. Originally, I was going to do the half up, half down and leave the ponytail out. I didn't like that you could see where the ponytail stopped at and where the hair that was down started at. It just wasn't blending in for me. So I just decided to put the ponytail in this really high bun, this top knot bun, and this is how the hair came out, y'all. So that completes the video. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. I think I like it. I think I do. I just really love black hair. But this was fun. This was cute. I mean, it was cute. I'm gonna take pictures in this. So I'm gonna have like some really cute pictures. But will I wear this on a regular day basis? No. I might tone it down a little bit and make it a little darker, and then maybe I'll like it much better. But I really like the idea of this hair, the style. But let me know what y'all think, how I did on this install. I feel like I got a little better, honestly. If you watched my first install, y'all probably saying the same thing. But let me know what you guys think about this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.